Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, my name is Sriharsha Velcheti and I do vlogs about me having consistency and having tasks done on daily basis. So this is day 5 and I'm so happy that we reached till day 5. And in today's video what I'm going to discuss about is that uh, how my day went in a single shot in a minute or two, and then we're going to discuss about a project where we are doing no coding, but we're using a Python based application but without any code, without writing a single line of code. We are going to implement the entire project. Interesting, right? So we are going to make use of ChatGPT and Google to do this task. So wait a minute or so to have my introduction, otherwise you can skip directly to the project part. So first thing, as usual, it's a day started at 9 o'clock for me. So it's a work day. Since it's Monday, it's a work day for me. So I started with building an application on backend with APIs, 2 to 3 APIs, and it's a RAG application that I had to build. I built the RAG application part, and I wanted to build the APIs for the RAG application to run on the servers. So that's the project that I have done in my internship today. So yeah, it went around from morning 9:30, 10 to evening 4, 4:35. So that's a rough period for me, and in between I have some breaks, like 11 o'clock I had a break, and 12:30, 1 o'clock I had another break. In between I had some chit chats and I watched some YouTube and all. So that's how my day went today. And yeah, coming to the project, I'll share the screen so you can also watch with me, and if you had GPT-4 access, you can uh, try along with me so that you will have a project in your hand. So why to wait, let's get started. Okay, it is visible. So fine. So as I told you, we are going to build a kind of Python project, Python data science project. So this is what the data set I'm going to take about, and we're going to use Google Colab and ChatGPT-4 for the ease of our understanding. Okay, so first about the dataset. So the dataset is about this is a heart disease dataset and curated by 5 popular heart disease datasets already available independently. So these are all the 5 datasets that are mixed together to give a complete dataset of 1190 instances with the 11 features. So that's great. And the problem statement, the tags tells us this is a classification problem, and it talks about heart conditions, and it is a binary classification. That means the output would be somewhere around 0 and 1. It's about drugs and medications and medicines. So let's have a look at dataset. So yes, it is a binary classification model since our target is only 0 and 1. Great. So I already downloaded the dataset, and this is the Google Colab on which we are going to work on, and we will create multiple cells. And as I told you, as I promised you, that we're not going to write a single line of code, and we're going to do completely with the help of ChatGPT itself. So let's see how it goes. Now let's upload the file directly to GPT-4. Downloads, it will be in this particular folder. Yeah, this one. Now the prompt that we need to give is do the complete EDA with the particular dataset given, and build a basic machine learning model. Make sure to give step by step in Google Colab structure. So now what it does is it will analyze the file. It is telling that we'll do the exploratory data analysis by thinking that it is a machine learning model, and first it is installing all the required libraries. Just we can copy this and paste it here. Let me copy properly. Let's copy and paste. And one more thing we need to do is that we just need to connect it to the runtime, and we have to upload our original dataset that we have. So it might take some minute or so. And archive, this is the dataset. Okay, so actually ChatGPT is too brilliant. It gave the exact path that we need to have. To make sure, we'll check the path once again. Copy path. You can see the particular file is exactly on the same path. It's great. It's working good, and we can run this particular cell to read the data. Once that is done, we'll go to next step. We'll understand the preliminary analysis of how the data set is working. It will generate the outputs, and if there is anything that is not properly given, you can see we are getting all the distribution of the features given and all the summary statistics of the given particular data set. That's great. And we can absolutely see that there are zero null values anywhere, so that is great. And we need not to perform this, but still we can perform. That's not a big deal. So, and we can also generate graphs. It is going to generate different graphs now. And if someone who is at first year or second year or even third year watching this, if you are from a data science background, it is really helpful. But I recommend you guys not to follow in this particular way, because in the initial stages you have to learn all these steps. That would be a great boost for you. So this, it is combining different graphs together. What we can do is we can separate out all the different stuff. So first we'll concentrate only on the histograms, and then what we can do is we'll concentrate only on the box plots, and then we can concentrate only on the correlation matrix. So generally what histogram tells us is that it tells about how the distribution of the given particular feature is happening. So if you see the age as a distribution of histogram, it is started from the data set is containing the people from age 30 to age 80 and so on, so somewhere around 80. So similarly, there is only two genders, that is 0 and 1. 0 means female, 1 means male, and so on and so forth, how the distribution is happening. And if you see the box plots, these are all the different features that we have. Box plot generally tells us what are all the outliers. So we'll discuss what is outliers in a brief video, if we want to have a deep knowledge about what outliers are. And yeah, this is a no-brainer. It's a correlation matrix. What it is doing is how well given particular two features are being correlated together. So if you see target and chest pain type, it is correlated with 0.46%, which is pretty high. And st slope, it is also having a target and st slope of 0.51 correlation, and these are all positively impacting. That means if target is, I mean, the person is getting heart attack, these are also chances of getting, this increases chances of getting heart attack more. And then what we can do is we can go for feature engineering part. We are doing some standardization techniques, so we are bringing everything under the same hood. And then since it is a simple model, simple logistic regression, where we can build a logistic regression model, because it's a binary classification task. And then on top of it, we are evaluating it, how well it is performing on the given train and test sets. So we have not ran a single code, we have not written a single line by ourselves, but still we are able to have an accuracy of 0.86, which is absolutely good. And it is having an accuracy of 86%. That's too good for any beginners to learn. And even we can generate the pickle file to use for our streamlit application or something else. Great. So model training is completed, the logistic regression model has been saved. Good. So this is the simple project that you can do with the help of ChatGPT. And if you see, it didn't take even 5 to 10 minutes for us to have a detailed data science life cycle. It's that simple. What's the amazing thing is that we can even build a streamed application that works as a web app with the help of this particular pkl file we have. But we'll see that in another video. That's it for today. If you learn something, and if you think you are able to gain some knowledge from this particular video, please share to someone who needs it, and please share to those guys who wanted who are interested towards data science and machine learning stuff. There is a lot more to come. Enjoy, stay happy, bye bye.